Hello learners. Welcome back to the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In our Finance, Accounting and Reporting module, we have already covered the foundation processes, account definition, master management and posting management. Today, we begin a new and very important process, accounts receivable, sales accounting. This process explains how sales revenue is accounted, how customer outstanding is created, and how receivables are tracked and controlled in Lighthouse ERP. What is accounts receivable? Accounts receivable refers to the amount a business is yet to receive from its customers for goods or services sold on credit. When a sales invoice is generated, the revenue is recognized immediately, but the payment is received later, based on the agreed credit period. This process helps organizations manage credit sales, payment due dates, customer outstanding, financial control over receivables. Nature of the process. Accounts receivable, sales accounting is an optional process in Lighthouse ERP. However, for businesses that sell on credit, this process becomes practically essential and can be implemented either in the first phase or in the second phase, based on business readiness. Business verticals where this process is used. This process is applicable across all industry verticals, such as manufacturing, trading, FMCG, steel, service-based industries. Any business dealing with customer credit can use this process effectively. Step 1. Sales revenue bill listing. Let's start with the sales revenue bill listing. This screen displays customer-wise sales bills, invoice dates, bill amounts and currency, payment due dates, approval status. It gives finance users a central view of all receivables generated through sales. Step 2. Creating a sales revenue bill. Header details. Here we create a new sales revenue bill. In the header section, we define revenue series, transaction type, customer, voucher and invoice details, credit period and payment due date. These fields determine when the receivable becomes due and how it will appear in aging reports. Step 3. Tax and currency details. Next, we configure GST structure, tax applicability, transaction currency. The system automatically calculates tax and posts it to the appropriate ledgers, ensuring compliance. Step 4. Item, service details and revenue posting. Now we enter the actual revenue details. Here we define item or service, quantity and rate, posting GL account, division and cost center. Once saved, revenue is credited, customer account is debited, outstanding is created automatically. All postings happen based on configured posting rules. Step 5. Sales invoice approval. Once the sales invoice is created, it goes through an approval workflow. During approval, the authorized user can review invoice details, verify values, and record approval remarks. Only after approval does the sales invoice become financially effective, meaning revenue is confirmed and the accounts receivable balance is officially updated. This approval mechanism ensures financial control, accuracy, and audit compliance before the invoice impacts customer outstanding. Step 6. Debit note, sales. Debit notes are used when additional charges need to be recovered from the customer after invoicing. This screen shows all sales debit notes and their approval status. Step 7. Creating sales debit note. While creating a debit note, we specify customer, invoice reference, debit note reason. This ensures proper audit trail. Step 8. Debit note item details. Here we enter item and tax details. After posting, customer receivable increases. Revenue and tax entries are adjusted automatically. Step 9. Credit note, sales. Credit notes are used to reduce customer outstanding in cases like excess billing, rate difference, service adjustments. Step 10. Creating sales credit note. Here we capture credit note details, including invoice reference and reason. Step 11. Credit note item details. Once the credit note is posted, customer receivable reduces. Revenue and tax ledgers adjust automatically. Advanced controls and MIS in accounts receivable. Accounts receivable in Lighthouse ERP also provides advanced controls such as Forex receivable with auto gain or loss posting, interest JV creation for overdue customers, bill-wise interest tracking, grace day-based interest calculation. These features strengthen financial discipline and cash flow control. Process summary. Sales bills create receivables. Sales invoices become financially effective after approval. Debit notes increase receivables. Credit notes reduce receivables. All postings are system-driven. Customer outstanding is always accurate. This completes the accounts receivable, sales accounting process in Lighthouse ERP. In the next video, we'll move ahead with another important finance process, accounts payable, purchase and expense accounting, and understand how vendor liabilities and expenses are recorded and controlled in the system. See you in the next session, learners.